In Indonesia, Warungs are small family-owned cafes that are similar to street food vendors with good, inexpensive food you can buy. Mama Bali serves so many delicious dishes. Three traditional dishes that Mama Bali serves is nasi campur, gadu gadu, and tipak kantuk. Out of the three, my favorite is nasi campur. That's Toya's favorite also. So what dish is this again, Nyla?
This one?
Yes.
This one, the food is tipat cantok. Gado-gado different.
Tipak kantok.
Tipat cantok, yeah. Balinese food. Peanut sauce with vegetable, tofu, and then steamed rice. That's food. Balinese food with sweet soya and pork and then peanuts like this.
Wow.
It's ready.
Very delicious.
Yeah,
Nyla, on a day-to-day basis, how many customers will you say that you serve per day?
it's always different. Like
Always
yesterday
different.
we find only 200,000.
Wow.
One day when the rainy season, like 2 days ago, only 150.
Wow. If it rains, Mama Bali may only make 150,000 rupiah, which is equivalent to $10 for her family. On a good day, Mama Bali can make about 250,000 rupiah, which is equivalent to $17 in USD. And on her best days, if she can get up to 300,000 rupiah, that's about a good $20 for the day for Mama Bali and her family. Starting a GoFundMe for Mama Bali and her family is one of the best things that we can do. Okay.
Local people is tipat cantok.
And let me see if I'm pronouncing it right. Ki is ni.
Tipat.
Tipak.
Tipat.
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 Tipak.
Tipat cantok. Yeah.
Okay.
Like this.
Ah, got you.
It's a local food for young generation. This one is in Bali.
Got you.
They like it sometimes very hot.
If you've been wondering since we've been in Ubud, Bali, how me, Amina, and Toya eats, well, it's been with Nyla, aka Mama Bali. She's been in this location for 8 years, feeding tourists, locals, and her own family. Her husband Newman and her son Patu helps her set up the warung every day to serve the people, and she has some very delicious food. The only problem is Mama Bali doesn't really have a huge table to sit her guests at to eat, and so we're looking to help Mama Bali expand and get a bigger building or a bigger location so that she could sit more people at once to eat. It's pretty cool to sit down and have a conversation with Mama Bali because she's been in this location for 8 years. So she's pretty much seen a lot of tourists and a lot of locals come and go. Sitting down and have a conversation with her, man, you get a little insight of what it's like to be living or visiting Ubud, Bali. Just across from the Peliatan Palace is where the Warung is located. Where would you like your business to be 2 years from right now?
It must be more than now.
Bigger building.
Bigger building. I hope God blessing. Maybe find lucky. I don't know from where the money. Maybe I need. Just I need.
Okay. How do you see yourself as a business owner right now?
Right now, my business is just so.
Uh-huh.
Not too busy.
Not too busy.
Not too quiet.
Not too sure.
Just enough for every day only for not cannot sip and the bank. No, just for on myself, on my family only. And then tomorrow selling again, just enough for my family.
Do you see yourself as do you see yourself as an anchor in this community?
I wish I need.
And if you get a bigger building, do you think your customers will follow you to your bigger building?
I think so. More customers because not find space and
Awesome.
please do. I
Awesome.
think so when we have a more big building and then more customers than now. I think.
And ask your husband, how does he feel about a bigger building?
Big building. Are you happy?
Happy.
Enjoy. I want to when we have big building. I need to help all people.
Awesome.
I
Awesome.
make my customer all happy and then sometimes find her.
Awesome. Well, we love you, and we're gonna make this video go viral so that you can get more customers and a bigger building. And we really appreciate what you do for our family. Thank you so much. Tell your husband I said thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Awesome.